Good morning, Gizmo the Inner City Hillbilly here. Today we're going to be doing a front cam seal. Now I've already replaced this cam seal once, and you can probably tell that everything is rather oily, to say the least. The day after I replaced this, I thought it was fixed, and it leaked 5 whole gallons of oil in 2.5 hours of trying to drive from Atlanta to Flat Rock, North Carolina. But that didn't really go over well. We made it almost 100 miles and decided to turn around and come back home. And in that time, it leaked 5 gallons of oil. We were absolutely astounded by how much oil it leaked. This is my little shit box, as you can see. Now, I know a lot of videos tell you how to do this. A lot of them go through all the pains and aches you have to go through to do it. Others cut all that out. I'm not going to do that, because those pains and aches is part of the reason why some people watch these videos, to see what they're going to have to go through in order to do these things. Now, I know they recommend that you disconnect the negative battery cable and that you take this loose and take it off, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try to do it the slightly shorter way. Now, one of the things that really tripped me out about this is apparently there's 2 different size seals. One for the automatic transmission, one for the manual transmission. The one for the automatic transmission is larger on the inside and the outside than the one for the manual. I did not know this. Whenever I went to the salvage yard to get another head, I got it off of an automatic 1990 Corolla. Of course, you know this is an 89 through 92 Geo Prizm. Kind of a patchwork quilt of a car. That really confused me. I don't understand why they would put 2 different sizes of a filter or a seal on these. That just makes no sense to me. As you can see, I got this from Toyota. That seal is a little larger. Normally, I believe this to be a 12 millimeter or 13 millimeter bolt holding the alternator in place. But it broke on mine, so I had to replace it with a different one. So I just put a bolt in there that would fit. So, yeah. Now it's loose. And whenever you're pushing this up, be sure that you do not brace against this radiator, because if you do, you're liable to break it. So you brace up against something next to it, like so. And give it a little bit of a push right there, like so. Sorry about not being able to keep it lit up. I have a headlight on, and it's kind of keeping things a little weird, to say the least.